With the proliferation of online marketing as a business model, many entrepreneurs do not have the necessary skills to complete all the tasks necessary. Furthermore, even amongst the top-line marketers who do have the necessary skill set, what they don't have is enough time to do everything that is necessary on a daily basis. Therefore, there is an ever-increasing demand for people who can provide outsourced services. In online marketing terms, these services could probably be allocated to two different categories. Specialized skills. Specialized services are those that require a degree of technical skill or ability. If you have any experience in any specialized area, such as creating websites, software programming, or writing copy for sales pages, you already have everything you need to start making money on the net pretty much straight away. What you need to do is bring your abilities to the notice of your customer base. The benefit of providing specialized services is because it is not something everyone can do. You can charge premium prices for your services. For example, a top sales page copywriter is able to command a 5-figure sum for just one sales page. If you're not in the position to, if not, there is no reason why you cannot train yourself to acquire the necessary skills. Many of these skills can be learned over a period of time because everything you need to know is available on the net for free. For example, if you want to learn how to create highly professional HTML web pages, there are many online tutorials where you can learn HTML from the ground up. Creating software programs is an excellent way of generating a very healthy income, and it is not hard to learn. Furthermore, there is always a demand for software programs. Once again, if you search the net for information about how to create software, there are free teaching materials available, so you can learn even if you have no experience of writing software or creating scripts whatsoever. Of course, if providing some form of specialized service is something that is of interest to you, it is not something that you will be able to do straight away with no previous experience. If you're not yet ready to offer specialized services, you can subsidize your activities with non-specialized services. Non-specialized services. This category includes services such as writing, creating graphic images, i.e., drawing, painting, or photographing images that you sell, and other web-specific services such as link building. Most people can offer these services without needing extensive training. For instance, even if you haven't written anything apart from a shopping list since you left high school, more than likely all you need is a bit of practice to get you back in the swing of it. This is worth considering because there is a huge demand on the net for written content, for web pages, article publications, and so on. As a result, anyone who can write a half-decent article can make money doing so. Website owners need a constant supply of material for their online marketing activities. At a rate of $5 to $10 per article, you can easily earn $100 or more per day. Finding clients. Once you've decided to offer your services, the most important thing to know is where to find clients, because you can be certain they won't come looking for you. For a newcomer, the easiest place to offer your services are on forums where you'll be dealing directly with the client, such as through the services forum page at DigitalPoint, forums.digitalpoint.com, which is a well-known online marketing forum site. On this site, there are several different categories of service which you can provide. All you need to do is decide upon is the appropriate category for the service that you are going to provide. For example, there are many people who use this site who will pay others to post on forums or blogs on their behalf. Okay, this is not going to make your fortune, but as the average forum posting is going to be somewhere between 25 and 100 words, it is not a great deal of work either. And of course, you could extend this concept to a point where you can start to generate a reasonable amount of income from something as simple as making forum or blog postings. For example, if you were going to write articles or reports for other online marketers, then you would list your services under the content creation subcategory. Another leading forum site where you can offer your services directly to end users is the Warrior Forum, warriorforum.com, arguably the #1 online marketing forum. This site has a sub-forum known as the Warrior Special Offers, WSO, section where for $20 you can post any special offer that you want to make available to other Warrior members, with the only provision being that the deal has to be something that is not available elsewhere. So for example, if you are offering to write 500-word articles is for $7 elsewhere, you might offer to do the same for Warrior members for $5, because as long as the offer is an exclusive and it provides value to other members, it will be accepted. That $20 will put your offer in front of hundreds of potential customers, all of whom will at some point need the services that you provide. Even if it is your very first time of offering your services, I can almost guarantee that you will get some takers. In addition, the Warrior Forum has a section called Warrior for Hire, which costs $20 as well, but is more appropriate for long-term exposure and advertising. Alternatively, there are the freelance sites such as Elance, Get a Freelancer, VWorkers, formerly Rent-A-Coder, Scriptlance, and Guru.com. You can register your services with all of the sites free, and as they are sites to which every webmaster goes to find freelance workers for specific projects, they are great sites through which to find work. As you will see if you look at the different sites, some of them specialize in programmers and coders, whereas sites like Elance and Get a Freelancer are less specifically targeted. Nevertheless, it still makes sense to register your services with all of them, as net entrepreneurs will regularly look at all of them when they are looking to someone who can do a specific job. Webmasters also list their jobs as well, so you can pitch for work as well as uploading your details to the site. The competition is fierce on these freelance sites, and without a proven record of accomplishment, it may be rather difficult to land that first job. You therefore have to give some thought to how you can attract your first clients. One option, of course, is to charge less, but don't go too low. The advantage of using forums such as Digital Point and the Warrior Forum is that you are dealing with webmasters and other online entrepreneurs directly. It is a one-to-one service with no intermediary, as there is when you use one of the freelance sites, which means that things can often be organized more quickly and easily. On the other hand, using a freelance site as an intermediary does have some advantages. The site will, for example, handle payments in a 100% safe manner, whereas if you are dealing directly with your customer, you have to handle this yourself. Nevertheless, going through a forum site like Digital Point does enable you to find customers quickly and easily. And you should, of course, ask your satisfied customers for testimonials and endorsements after you have finished every job.